Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to animate on click in Canva. For example, once on Canva, we could select presentations below the search bar. Then from there, you can select the dimension that you would like to use. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to add your presentation. So for example, I'm going to be using a random template. So let's say for example's sake, I'll be adding this page and I'll be also adding a second page. Now to get it to animate on click, all you will need to do, you can select right here. So let me delete this page right here as I don't want a duplicate. So I'm going to delete that page and I'm going to be adding a second page. Now you can go onto the page that you would like to animate on click and you can select the text or you can select the element that you would like to animate. After you have done that, you're going to select animate from the top navigation bar. Then you will see the option appear on click in the top left hand corner. You can toggle that. Then from there you can select the animation that you would like to use. So let's say for example this animation. After you have done that, if we were to simply tap on present in the top right hand corner, then I'm going to tap on present. You can see how it looks right there, so you can see that it is blank. Now once I click on it, you can see right there. So that is how you'll be able to animate on click, as you can see right there. So again, once I tap on the slide right there to change it, you can see the animation appears. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.